Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave, and with the presidential election just over 2 short weeks away, I want to know who is healthier, Joe Biden or Donald Trump? Now, please note, this is not a political statement. I do not endorse any political candidates here on Dr. Dave's 411. Well, maybe there's one fine citizen I would endorse for president. He is short of stature, but well built. He is always up for a challenge and does not discriminate. Who am I speaking about? Our mascot, Walter. That is right, Walter for president. Okay, never mind. I don't know about you, but if we are going to elect a person who's probably the most powerful person in the free world, shouldn't we know if they are healthy enough for the job? All of this and some amazing jokes on this episode of Dr. Dave's 411. Oh, and remember, if you want to see some more fun and informative videos about many health-related topics, then go to my website, drdavedegatti.com. Go ahead, pause this video and check out drdavedegatti.com. If you are truly a patriotic American, then you owe it to yourself and your country to check out drdavedegatti.com. Okay, Joe Biden versus Donald Trump. Who is healthier? Let's start with Joe Biden. Standing at 6 feet, approximately 180 pounds, Mr. Biden has been deemed by his personal physician to be a healthy, vigorous 77-year-old male who is fit to successfully execute the duties of the presidency. So what do we know about Joe Biden's health? First, he has a heart condition called atrial fibrillation, which is an irregular heart rate that can cause a stroke. Check out my video on atrial fibrillation. Next, he has high cholesterol, for which he currently takes medications. He also suffers from acid reflux and seasonal allergies. Okay, so the above is not uncommon in a 77-year-old American male. But in 1988, he was also noted to have suffered from a cerebral aneurysm. A cerebral aneurysm is a potentially life-threatening condition that occurs when an artery in the brain starts to swell up like a balloon and can burst. Mr. Biden's aneurysm reportedly resulted in surgery and a later complication, which nearly cost Biden his life. What about Mr. Biden's lifestyle? Apparently, Mr. Biden does work out at least 5 days per week and does not use any tobacco or alcohol products. How about President Donald Trump? If you remember, President Trump's personal physician said, and I quote, "If elected, Mr. Trump can state unequivocally will be the healthiest individual ever elected to the presidency." At age 74, Donald Trump stands 6 foot 3 inches and weighs 244 pounds. So what do we know about President Trump's health? He takes a medicine for high cholesterol. He has a history of coronary disease with a coronary calcium score of 133. Remember from my videos that anything above 100 indicates moderate cholesterol buildup in the heart. And as most of us know, he was recently hospitalized with COVID-19 infection. What about President Trump's lifestyle? Well, I think it is safe to say that President Trump does not exactly have the healthiest lifestyle habits. In fact, the president has admitted in the past that he relishes fast food and sweets. Okay, so who is the healthier candidate? Both candidates have multiple medical problems that are not uncommon for men their age. But when it comes to living a healthier lifestyle, I think you can decide for yourself. Like I said, no politics here on Dr. Dave's 411. Okay, everyone, who wants to hear a famous Dr. Dave joke?
No. No, no.
No, 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 no.
Did you hear about the new restaurant called Karma? There's no menu. You get what you deserve. Karma, get what you need. I remember when Halloween was the scariest night of the year. Now it's election night. Okay, everyone, I'll stick with cardiology. Until next time, this is Dr. Dave.